Hi everyone. I got an email from one of your classmates, and I'm gonna have to call her out, Kiana Blount, because I think this could help other students as well. She says when I try to upload my picture, it says too large and has to be a certain size to post. What should I do? And unfortunately, that was like you see here 3 days ago, so I didn't answer it. So um, kudos to Kiana because she did another one and turned it into Moodle anyway. So into the Moodle forum anyway. And of course, Kiana, you have gotten a 100, even though you did two completely different assignments. And she actually even did different examples. One was glucose, and I think the other one might have been blood pressure. But the point is, she kept going until she figured something out. But I wanted to show you, I think in this situation, it has to do with your computer hardware and software and making sure that you have everything updated. I don't know that for sure, but I just want to show you what I did. So if I go to her email, here's her picture that she sent me. And I am clicking on it, and I am clicking copy image. And then when I go here and hit click paste, it puts it right in there. So if my computer will do it and hers won't, it sounds like a hardware or software issue. Now, so I'm going to refer you back to, we'll go to our class. Everyone, please make sure that you go to the welcome page and scroll down, and here where it says computer hardware requirements, make sure that your PC or Mac, whatever you're using, is updated. Try not to do this. Try not to use your phone for class, even though I do sometimes. If I'm somewhere where like I don't take my laptop if we go fishing, and we have a fishing boat in my family, and if we go out fishing, I don't take my laptop with me, but I'll have my phone, and sometimes I'll answer emails on the weekends when I'm on the boat. But you should have access to a laptop, PC or Mac, and then the additional computer software, make sure you have the latest version of Microsoft Office, which is here. You have the PDF reader, that reader is free. Good internet connection, reliable internet access, up-to-date version of Google, Chrome, Mozilla, Firefox, or Safari. And those are just the minimum, but if everything's updated, then you shouldn't have any problems, with things like copying and pasting images. So I hope this was helpful. I know, Kiana, you figured it out, but I just wanted to do this video so that students could see how to do it. Okay, and I'm gonna well, that's all I've got for now. So I hope, if you have questions, let me know.